All right, guys. So now we're going to talk about sets. Okay. So let's say, for example, you have a list of cars, right? We did it with the list. We did it with tuples. Now let's do it with a set. Okay. So how do you declare a set? To declare a set, you could come here and say set and then parentheses. All right. Now when you run cars, you run it, it says set. Okay. Now, how do you put in, values inside of the set? Very simple. You come here, you put in a brackets, and you could come and say something like this, like, okay, I have a Honda, I have a BMW, okay, you have a Benz, you have a Lambo, okay. So now when we run this, see BMW, Honda, Lambo, Benz. So that's the set, okay? Now, why would you use a set? Okay? A lot of times it's to remove duplicates. So let's say, for example, you have a couple of Hondas, right? You say, okay, I have Honda here, and I'm going to have a couple of ones here, a couple of BMWs there on the side, a couple of BMWs after Lambo. And then now, when we run this, what happens? You will see that automatically it removed all the duplicates. Now, another thing that you're going to notice is that also inside of this set, they're pretty much, how you call this, like unordered, right? We set this up like this. We had Honda, BMW, Benz, BMW, Lambo. But as you can see, every time that we click on run, they're in different places. See, Honda's here now, Lambo's there. We run it again, Benz is there, BMW is there, Lambo's there. So as you can see, it keeps changing. It's unordered. There's really not an order. It doesn't keep the order that you have here. It basically just says, okay, it's just randomize it. Okay. All right, guys. So this is sets. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.